Hello my dear friend, you can see this is the PVS-7 Night Vision Goggles for you, okay? Let me introduce it. A safety box with a sponge, it can protect our device. A soft bag. A soft helmet. This is the clean cloth. A helmet blanket. And this is the PVS-7 Night Vision Goggles. 2 pieces eyepiece lens and 1 piece objective lens. You can rotate focus to let the imaging more clearly. This is the function button, power off, power on, and IR illuminator. You can rotate it. This is the battery box. You can put into 2 pieces AA battery. 2 pieces AA batteries in it, and the device will work. This is its SN number. Okay, this is the connector to connect with blanket. Okay, and you can press this button to connect the blanket with your own helmet. Okay, let me show you. You can see. Okay, thank you. In the next video, I will show you this PVS-7 imaging.